Hi guys, it's Carol and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm inside of Walmart and I'm gonna see what's new for fall, so let's go shopping. The first thing I'm seeing is this dress from Terra and Sky. It has a V neckline, ruffles going around the neckline. The sleeves are short, flutter sleeve. It has a very stretchy waist and it has two strings at the waist. Does it have pockets? It has pockets and it has a tiered layer with a ruffled hem. This is how it looks in the back. The price is $22.98. This midi-length dress is from Terra and Sky. It has a V neckline, short flutter sleeve. It does have a very stretchy waist. It also has a smocking panel here in the back, two side pockets. The material seems to be more of a polyester material. It does have a tiered layer with a ruffled hem. The price on this dress is $24.98. It's available in several different prints, and I'm absolutely loving that print over here. That's super cute. This blouse is from Terra and Sky. It has a V neckline, ruffles going around the neckline, short flutter sleeve. It seems very roomy throughout and it's a good nice long length. This is how it looks in the back. It is available in several different colors and the price is $16.98. This waffle Henley top is from Terra and Sky. It does have a crew neckline. Buttons going down the chest area. Are they functional? Yes, they're snap buttons. Long sleeve which seems slightly fitted, and this is a soft waffle knit material. It's available in several different colors and prints. It's a good nice long length, and the price on this waffle Henley is $14.98. These plaid shirts are from Terra and Sky. It has a collared neckline, functional buttons going all the way down the front. It does have a functional chest pocket. The sleeves are long and it does have a button cuff. It's a little bit longer in the back. These are going to be perfect to wear with your leggings. This is how it looks in the back. It's available in several different colors and the price is $18.98. These duster cardigan are from Terra and Sky. It has a open front, long sleeve which are fitted, and it does have a rib cuff. It has two functional pockets in the front and these are super long. The price on these dusters are $19.98. This Rolling Stone sweatshirt is from Terra and Sky. It has a ribbed crew neckline, drop shoulders and long sleeve which are slightly oversized. It does have a rib cuff. It's roomy throughout and it's a good nice long length. It also has a ribbed hem and it does have the slit to the side for some venting. The price on this sweatshirt is $16.98. This knit pants is from Terra and Sky. It does have a broad waistband. It's super stretchy also. It has a functional string at the waistline, two functional side pockets. It's loosely fitted throughout and it does have a wide leg. The price is $17.98. Oh my god guys, do you remember when these sweatshirts from Terra and Sky and Time and Tree used to be $9.98? Well, this sweatshirt is from Terra and Sky. It's for $14.98. It's available in several different colors. I'm gonna have a picture to the side that you guys could see how they look. They're one of my favorite sweatshirts for the fall and winter season. This t-shirt is from Jessica Simpson. It has a crew neckline, short sleeve. It has the beautiful rhinestone detail in front. It's super roomy throughout. This is a size 2XL for reference. Available here in black and I see it here in gray, and the price is $28 on this t-shirt. These jeans are from Jessica Simpson. It does have a button closure and a zip fly, 5 pocket styling, functional pockets in the front, and it does have 2 functional pockets here in the back. It has the lighter wash in the middle and the darker wash on the end. It does have a unfinished hem. The price on this pants is $34.50. I did share it in my last Walmart haul. I got it in the size 16, but I needed this in the size 18. These jeans are from Jessica Simpson. It has a button closure and a zip fly, 5 pocket styling, functional pockets in the front and 2 functional pockets here in the back also. It's loosely fitted throughout and it is a wide leg. The price on this jeans is $34.50. This blouse is from Jessica Simpson. It has a crew neckline, the beautiful gathering detail going around the neckline. The sleeves are long and slightly sheared, and I love the ruffled cuff on this top. It does have the ruffled detail throughout. I feel like that's trending for fall. It's fully lined underneath, so you don't have to worry about this blouse being see-through, and the price is $30. This leopard print dress is from Jessica Simpson. It has a crew neckline, a string at the neckline which you could tie to create this keyhole detail. It has short sleeve and it has the ruffles going around the sleeve. It also has some ruffle details going around the neckline. The waist is super stretchy. It doesn't have any pockets. It's unlined but not see-through. I actually have this dress and I do love it. It is a maxi length and the price is is $40 on this dress. These jeans are from Jessica Simpson and it's giving all the free people vibes. This was a return to store because they don't have this in store usually. It does have a button closure and a zip fly, 5-pocket design, functional pockets in the front and 2 functional pockets in the back. I absolutely love the print on this jeans. This is how it looks in the back. It's on sale at my Walmart for $22.50. That's how I know it was a return, but I think online it's for $29.50 or $34.50. I'm gonna have the price on the screen for you guys. It's super cute. This blouse is from Jessica Simpson. It has a V neckline, 2 strings at the neckline. It has a beautiful gathering detail also in the chest. The sleeves are long and it does have a very stretchy cuff. It's super roomy throughout. This is a size 2X for reference, and this is how it looks in the back. The price on this blouse is $28. These jeans are from Jessica Simpson. It has a button closure and a zip fly, 5-pocket style in functional pockets in the front and 2 functional pockets here in the back. It seems fitted throughout and it has a wide leg, and I absolutely love the crochet detail at the end of these jeans. The price is saying $29.50, but I think they're for $34.50 because this digital sign-in usually have the correct price, so I think these are for $34.50. These jeans are from Jessica Simpson. It has a button closure and a zip fly, 5-pocket design, functional pockets in the front and 2 functional pockets in the back. It's fitted throughout and it has a flared leg. This is how it looks in the back. The price on these jeans are $30.50. These jeans are from Jessica Simpson. It has a button closure and a zip fly, functional pockets in the front and 2 functional pockets here in the back. I absolutely love the grommet detail going down the side, and it does have a slit at the side. It is a wide leg. I did share these jeans in my last Walmart haul and I absolutely love them. The price on these jeans are $34.50. This lace tee is from Jessica Simpson. It has a scoop neckline, short sleeve. It has the lace detail throughout and it's fully lined underneath. It is a good nice long length. This is how the lining look. It's a polyester lining. The price on this is $28. These barrel jeans are from Jessica Simpson. It has a button closure and a zip fly, functional pockets in the front and 2 functional pockets here in the back. It have a slight leather wash throughout and it has the seam detail going down the side. It's a little bit wider in the leg for the barrel effect and it does have a straight leg. The price on this jeans is $30.50. It's also available in this leopard print here. This blouse is from Jessica Simpson. It has a crew neckline, short flutter sleeve. It has the beautiful lace detail throughout. The material seems to be a cotton material and it seems to be a good nice long length. This is how it looks in the back. It does have a keyhole cut out in the back and the price on this blouse is $22. This blouse is from Jessica Simpson. It has a higher crew neckline, short sleeve, and I absolutely love the seam detail throughout. This blouse is giving all the free people vibes. Unfortunately, I don't think it's available in plus sizes. I think the biggest size they have it in is extra large. The price is $16 on this. This kimono is from Jessica Simpson. It has long sleeve. It has a open front, but it also has the strings at the waistline which you could tie. It's a good nice long length. This would look nice over some jeans. It does have a tiered layer with a ruffled hem and the price on this kimono is $29. This jeans jacket is from Jessica Simpson. It has a collared neckline, functional buttons going all the way down the front. It does have 2 functional chest pockets and 2 functional side pockets also. The sleeves are long and it does have a button cuff. This is how it looks in the back. The price on this denim jacket is $32.50. This cardigan is from Time and True. It has a V neckline, long sleeve which are fitted, and it does have the rib cuff, 2 functional pockets in the front, and it's a good nice long length. It has slits to the side for venting. This is how it looks in the back. It's available in several different colors and the price on this cardigan is $14.98. Barn jackets are trending for 2025 and Time and True just released their barn jacket. It's available here in black, but I know online it's available in 2 additional colors. It has the corduroy neckline, functional buttons going all the way down the front. It also has the hidden zipper. This is more of a quilted material which is super soft also, and it has 2 functional pockets here in the bottom. This is how it looks in the back. The price on this barn jacket is $34.98. This maxi dress is from Time and True. It has a crew neckline, oversized short sleeve. It has the rib fabric throughout. It is a maxi length and it has the slit to the side. The price on this dress is $15.98 and it's available in several different colors. This Rolling Stone tee is from Time and True. It has a crew neckline, short sleeve. It has the Rolling Stone logo in front. It's a good, nice long length. The price is $9.98. These are the Time and True sweatshirt, and I'm loving this brown color. It's available in several different colors. I'm gonna have a picture to the side that you guys can see how it looks. This sweatshirt is always a bestseller, and they do sell out very quickly. The price is $13.98. These cardigan are from Time and True. It's a open front cardigan. It has drop shoulders and long sleeve, which are slightly oversized. It does have a rib cuff, and this is a super soft material. I think this is a Chanel cardigan, and I don't like that material usually because they do pull easily, but it is super soft to the touch. The price on this cardigan is $17.98. This rain jacket is from Time and True. It has a functional zipper going all the way down the front, long sleeve. It does have two functional side pockets. This is how it looks in the back. It does have a hood here in the back. It's a good, nice long length, and the price is $27.98. These boxy thermals are from Time and True. It has a crew neckline, drop shoulders, and long sleeve, which are slightly fitted. It does have the super soft waffle knit material. It's roomy throughout. It's a good, nice long length. I'm gonna have the price on the screen. It is available in several different colors. This faux fur jacket from Time and True is such a vibes. I absolutely love it. It does have a collared neckline. It has a snap button closure here. It has two pockets to the side. The sleeves are long and oversized. It's available here in this color, and it's also available in black. The price on this jacket is $39.98. This is gonna sell out very quickly. It's gonna be perfect for fall, perfect for winter, perfect for the holiday season. This corduroy skirt is from Time and True. It has a button closure and a zip fly, functional pocket in the front. It has a slit in the front also. It seems to be about a midi length. This is how it looks in the back. It has two functional pockets also. The price on this skirt is $19.98. These white calf boots are from Aerosol. I tried them on here in the 8 wide, and I have so much room to spare. It's for $48. I did check online. It's shown as out of stock online. I don't know if they're gonna stock it online because I only see Aerosol mostly in store. So if you go to your local Walmart, definitely check these boots out. They're so comfortable. These ballet flats are also from Aerosol, not showing up online. The price is $32. It's available in wide width also. And these boots are for $45. Another boot here for $42. So cute. And these boots are $40 also. These loafers are for $32 from Aerosol, and they're available in wide width. How cute are these clogs from this brand called Mountain Soul? I think this is the first time I'm seeing it. It has more of a rounded toe. I love the gold buckle detail. It does have a slide platform. It's super soft inside, and the price on this clogs is $35. It is available in this like chocolate brown, and it's also available in one additional color here. These knit boots are from Time and True. It has more of a pointy toe. It has the knit material on top, which is actually a little bit sturdy here, then it's softer on top. It has the socks detail going around here, so it's going to be easy to get on and off your feet. It does have a slide heel, but it is a block heel. The price on these boots are $32.98. It's also available here in black. These loafers are from Time and True. It's from their comfort line. It does have more of a pointed toe. It's super padded inside. It does have a slight heel here, maybe half an inch. It does have the slip resistant outer sole, and the price on this loafers is $28.98. These flats are from No Boundaries. It has more of a pointed toe. I love the strappy detail going across, and it has gold hardware throughout. It does have the adjustable strap here in the back. It's super padded inside, and the price on these are $22.98. I absolutely love the snake print. Another flats from No Boundaries. This has more of a rounded toe. It has the double straps going across. It's padded inside. It does have the slip resistant outer sole, and the price on these are $19.98. These clogs are from Time and True and they're dupe for Birkenstocks. It does have more of a rounded toe. It has the gold buckle detail. It's super padded inside and it has a little bit of a platform. It's available in several different colors and the price is $22.98. These ballet flats are from Time and True. It has more of a pointy toe. It has the beautiful bow detail on top. It's padded inside. It has a slip resistant outer sole and the price is $22.98. These ballet flats are from Time and True. It has more of a square toe. It has the bow detail on top. It does have memory foam. It has a slight heel and the price is $22.98. These leopard print ballet flats are from Time and True. It does have a squared toe. It has an adjustable strap going across. It has memory foam and it's slip resistant. The price is $18.98. These sneakers are from Time and True and they're pretty viral because it's compared to the Miu Miu sneakers. It does have more of a pointed toe. It has a lace up detail. It has memory foam inside. It doesn't have the price on it, so I'm gonna link it for you guys to shop. These slip-on loafers are from Time and True. It has a squared toe. It has the gold buckle going across and it does have memory foam. It also has a slight heel and the price on this loafers is $24.98. It's also available in black. These kitten heel mules are from Time and True. It has more of a pointy toe. I love the grommet detail throughout and it has the bow on top. It has the memory foam insole and it has a kitten heel around 2 inches. It has the slip resistant outer sole. It's available here in this beautiful chocolate color, but it's also available in tan and the price is $24.98. These kitten heel boots are from Madden NYC. It has a pointy toe. It has about 8 inch or inch and a half kitten heel. It has a zipper here to the side. And guys, these boots are for $50 and they do fit. I'm so excited. I'm gonna buy them to share with you guys in my next Walmart haul. It's saying that here is the 8 wide and it does have a extended cuff. Absolutely love them. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.